The Department of Education is reviewing its classroom observation policy following the death of a public school teacher in Muntinlupa, although it clarified that the incident is not directly linked to classroom observation practices. Mobile journalist Ray Vicente reports.
Following the death of the public school teacher in Muntinlupa last week, the Department of Education said that classroom observation policy is now under review. In a Facebook post on Sunday, January 11, Education Secretary Sonny Angara said they are actively reforming these practices, but noting to not fully suspend the classroom observation. However, various groups like Teachers Dignity Coalition echoed for a temporary halt instead as a symbol of mourning.
Hindi naman namin totally gustong alisin yung classroom observation. Ang gusto lamang naman naming baguhin is how it is being implemented in the field. We have actually formalized this request na kung maaari ihinto muna yung lahat ng classroom observations sa buong Pilipinas, hindi lamang sa Muntinlupa, no? As symbol, no, of sympathy, no, or mourning, no, dito sa nangyari sa ating isang kapatid po namin.
Teacher Agnes Buenaflor was reported to felt dizziness and collapsing in the middle of her classroom observation in front of two observers.
Ay, relax naman to kasi yung dalawang observers niya, yung head teacher at saka itong master teacher ay mga personal friends niya. So hindi naman to masyado siguro, no? Hindi naman siguro masyadong factor, I would say, yung nag-observe, di ba? But of course, yung mga teacher naman usually, no, yung mga teacher natin, ayaw naman natin kasi hindi lang ito mairaos lang. Makikita niyo yung aming Facebook page, no, nag-share yung mga teacher natin nung kanilang mga comments doon na talaga namang stressful, talagang addition sa kanilang trabaho.
Although DepEd clarified that the DepEd do not correlate to classroom observation practices, TDC chairperson still pushes for a policy review.
Hindi namin sinisisi yung mga principal o yung mga head teachers or even yung ating mga master teachers na policy shift, not policy review ang hinihingi namin. Nakatali yung kamay ng ating mga principal, ng head teachers at saka ng mga master teachers, no, dito po sa policy na ito.
The call is also due to the similar case from a teacher in Laguna who was preparing for classroom observation the next day.
I would say meron siyang pagkakapareho. Ito namang si Teacher ER, babanggitin ko yung pangalan, nakapost naman sa public. No? Si Teacher ER dyan ay preparing. Na-stroke siya nung Thursday evening. No? Na supposedly, he's preparing for classroom observation nung Friday. Ngayon, nandyan, ano, nasa ICU ng isang ospital sa San Pedro City. No? At teacher siya sa Santa Cruz, Laguna. Yan din naman yung tanong ko, no, doon sa kanyang sister who is also a teacher, no, kasi ayaw ko namang magsabi, no, na ito ay assumption lamang namin, ano. Pero kinonfirm niya, no, na yun yung kanilang paniwala.
Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.